We're done. Let's go. Dali ra gyud siya set up, guys. Minutes ra. And we're done. Manamig set up sa tent. Let's go. Next, atong chair and table. Naguba. Wala giguba. Naguba na to. Other side. Okay. Wow, nag-start tag fogs. Ooh, yes.
Okay.
Wow, naabot na gid diri sa mong area sa camping site ang fogs. Very nice. Grabe, nag-fogs na gid diri. Ooh, so cold. Let's go. We have some pizza from Pizza Kid. Let's eat. Look at that. It's time to cook our dinner. Let's go.
So we're now making our dinner, which is ramyun with pork. Happy to nagbukal. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Look at our stove, guys. Grabe kagamay. Super cute. Let's go. Happy dinner. Let's eat. We are on our second pack. Kaya wala igo ganina, guys. Gamay kayong lutuan. And for our dessert, we have purple yam.